front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M31s. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's enter Settings and let's go to Lock Screen. Enter screen lock type and confirm with your current screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: swipe, pattern, pin, password and none. And also we've got biometrics like face and fingerprints. Let's start with the swipe. Now let's go to none, password, pin, and now pattern. Now we can set up face unlock. Simply scan your face in this area. Now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And the last type of the screen lock, fingerprints. Simply scan your fingerprints right here. So let's select fingerprint. And let's tap this sensor multiple times. Now I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.